Hey, what up, guys? Right here at Liberty Station, about to go get some Dirty Birds. Gonna go to the pumpkin patch with Stephanie and her family. The girls, we're all going. Got my dipping shirt on. Trying to vlog a little bit more, so hopefully everything's good. Here come the girls. Here comes Ani. Ready to get it. I tried to get a battery, but I'm a little big back here right now, so I couldn't get inside my truck because the parkings are tight, but fuck it.
Families gather hand in hand, searching for the best in the autumn land. Children run with laughter and cheer among the pumpkins far and near. A scarecrow stands with a watchful eye as leaves dance in the October sky. Oh, the pumpkin patch, where magic grows, under the sky where the cool wind blows. Pick your pumpkin round and bright in the pumpkin patch under the moonlight. Carve a smile or a spooky face, the pumpkin patch is a special place. When the sun sets low and the stars appear, the pumpkin patch becomes so dear. Lanterns glow with a gentle gleam, in the heart of the patch it feels like a dream. Oh, the pumpkin patch where magic grows, under the sky where the cool wind blows.
Who's Matilda?
You don't know who Matilda is?
No, I said, who are you calling Matilda?
Ani, you should like, Ani, sit down.
I'll take it. Yeah.
Well, you sent me a picture of his family and you're like...
No, I got a 360 camera. That should record everything. You guys are good. 1, 2, 3. Check it out and make sure you like it. If not, I'll take another one. You don't have to get out. I'm recording a video.
Boy, bro, I think you're taking photos. Boy,
You don't want everybody to say. Oh, see? I got that on video too. It's gonna make a good clip.
no, it's not.
It is. Double back-to-back good clips. Do one more thing.
Hello.